Hello friend, today in this video lecture we are going to start the problem of trapezoidal rule, Simpson 3 by 8 rule and Simpson's 1 by 3 rules. First write the problem of this three method. Form the following table. The area bounded by the curve and x-axis from x is equal to 7.47 to x is equal to 7.52. Write the table and value of xy. X is equal to 7.47, y is equal to 1.93, x is equal to 7.48, y is equal to 1.95, x is equal to 7.49 and y is equal to 1.98, x is equal to 7.50, y is equal to 2.01, x is equal to 7.51 and y is equal to 2.03, x is equal to 7.52 and y is equal to 2.06. Then solve this problem by using the trapezoidal method. First here write the solution, and here x0 is equal to 7.47 and y0 is equal to 1.93, x1 is equal to 7.48, y1 is equal to 1.95, x2 is equal to 7.49, y2 is equal to 1.98, x3 is equal to 7.50, y3 is equal to 2.01, x4 is equal to 7.51, y4 is equal to 2.03, x5 is equal to 7.52 and y5 is equal to 2.06. First write this value, then find h. H is equal to difference between the value of x1 and x0 and x1, that is equal to 0.01, and we know the area is equal to integral here given the value of x is equal to 7.47 to x is equal to 7.52, therefore area is equal to 7.47 to 7.52 f of x dx. And by trapezoidal method, write the formula by trapezoidal rule. Integral x0 to xn f of x dx is equal to h by 2 into y0 plus 2 into y1 plus y2 plus y3 plus y4 plus y5. Then put the value of above given table, and then we get the value of area, that is f of y is equal to f of x. Then put the value and we get integral x0 to xn is equal to 0.01 f of x dx 0.01 into 1.93 plus 2 into 1.95 plus 1.98 plus 2.01 plus 2.03 bracket complete plus 2.06. After calculating, this value is equal to 0.05 plus 1.93 plus 15.94 plus 2.06 is equal to 0.005 into 19.93. Then we get 0.0996, which is the required area. Then second problem, area is found by trapezoidal method. Then a solid, second method of problem is a solid of revolution is formed by rotating the x-axis the area between the x-axis, the line x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1, and 4 curve through point with the following coordinate. Here given the value of x and y, x is equal to 0.00, y is equal to 1, x is equal to 0.25, y is equal to 0.9896, x is equal to 0.50, y is equal to 0.9589, x is equal to 0.75, y is equal to 0.9089, x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 0.8415. Estimate the volume of the solid form giving the answer to 3 decimal. Solution. If V is the volume of the solid form, then we know that V is equal to integral 0 to 1 y square dx. That is equation 1. Hence, we need the volume of, we need the value of y square, and hence tabulated below to correct for decimal places. Then write here the table x, y, y square. Here x is equal to 0, 0, y is equal to 1.000, y square is equal to 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0.25, y is equal to 0.9896, and y square is equal to 0.9793. X is equal to 0.50, y is equal to 0.9589, and y square is equal to 0.9195, 0.75, 0.9089, and here 0.8261, here 1.00, 0.8415, and y square is equal to 0.7081. Here x0 is equal to 0 and x4 is equal to 1. This is x0, x1, x2, x3 and x4, and h difference between this is 0.05, 0.25, and then by Simpson rule, Simpson 1/3 rule, integral x0 to x4 y square dx is equal to h by 3 into y0 square plus 4 into y1 square plus y3 square plus 2 into y2 square plus y4 square, and by 1 and 2 we get v is equal to pi into 0.25 upon 3 into 1.0000 plus 4 into 0.9793 plus 0.8261 plus 2 into 0.9195 plus 0.7081. After calculating, value is equal to 0.2618 into 10.7687, and that is v is equal to 2.8192, which is required hollow. Hollow means calculated by Simpson 1/3 rule. Here volume v is equal to pi into integration of 0 to 1 y square d square. This is equation 1, and by put this value in tabulated form and taking the y square of y in this like this, x y square, then here x0, this first value is x0, and then x2, x1, x2, x3, x4 last value is x4 is 4, and difference between any two element is 0.25, and by Simpson rule, first write the formula, then put the value of this y square in this equation, then after calculation we get the after calculating we find the volume v is equal to this. volume is found by Simpson rule. Thank you.